Welcome to this course where you're going to learn how to interpret and analyse the three main financial statements: the income statement, the balance sheet and the cash flow statement, in a really easy to follow step-by-step way. I'm John Colley, I'm a 30-year senior investment banker, and when I read my first company report back in 1988, I could not make head or tail of it. Fortunately, I was working for one of the leading city investment analysts, and she spent a considerable amount of her valuable time helping me to get started, as well as doing all her filing. Thank you, Paula. Don't forget to follow me to make sure that you don't miss any of my future courses, particularly those on finance and strategy. In this course, you'll discover three things: how to read the financial statements, the key ratios you need to analyse them, and critically, how to analyse them yourself using a bespoke project that I put together, complete with all the answers, and after that, a detailed discussion. Everything you need is here, and I've set it out to make it as easy as possible for you to follow. If you're a budding analyst working in finance or the finance function of a firm, or you want to work on Wall Street or in the city, then this is a great starting point. You won't regret investing the time in yourself by taking this course. Don't worry, this course is for everyone, whatever your standard, even if you're experienced with financial statements, because I know you're going to get an awful lot of fun from the challenge of doing the project in this course. Discover the amazing stories that financial statements can tell you about a business. Impress your boss with your knowledge and insights. Learn how to interpret rather than just read the numbers. It's all here. At the end of this class, you will be able to read and understand all three financial statements and how they relate to one another. And did I mention the assignment? You're going to love completing the assignment using a real spreadsheet that I have used time and time again in my investment banking career at such organisations as Security Pacific, Westdeutsche Landesbank, Charter West LB and Societe Generale. So what are we waiting for? We have a lot to cover, so let's get started now, and I look forward to seeing you in the course.